Hey everyone! So your Robinhood account is restricted? Don't worry, let's go over why it happens and how to fix it. Why is your Robinhood account restricted? There are a few common reasons. Bank transfer reversed. You use instant deposit, but your bank pulled the money back. Outdated or wrong information. Your address, ID, or account details might be incorrect. Fraud or security check. Robinhood flags something suspicious. Legal restrictions. There could be a court order or regulatory issue. Control person status. You mark yourself as someone connected to a public company, which limits trading in certain stocks. How to fix it? Negative balance. Just deposit enough funds to bring your account back to positive. Wrong information. Update your ID or account details. Upload any documents Robinhood requests. Mark as control person by mistake. Reach out to Robinhood support and explain the situation. They can clear that up. Crypto access block. If your Robinhood financial account is restricted, you won't be able to buy crypto either. So, make sure to resolve the issue first. Or, just contact Robinhood support directly. They're the best ones to walk you through it step by step. And that's it. That's how to fix a restricted account on Robinhood. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.